guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Becky and my channel is called Becky Basics. I'm so glad that you guys were able to join me today. In today's video, I just wanted to do a clean with me video, and I'm going to show you guys what I'll be doing today as far as chores goes, and I'll also show you my chore list for the week. And let's get started. So I've showed you guys my chore list before. This is what it looks like. I always try to do a list of 3 weeks at a time, and it just kind of gives me a heads up as far as like what I'm going to be doing for the month and just planning according to that. So Monday I have restrooms, Tuesday is dust, Wednesday glass, and Thursday floors. And each week there is a zone cleaning, so there's an area of the house that I will try to focus on for the week and do more detailed cleaning as far as whatever needs to be done in that area. So this week is zone 1, which is the kitchen, and Monday I had to clean the fridge, and today I'm supposed to wipe down the pantry shelves, canisters in the pantry, and just clean any small appliances like the toaster or the coffee maker. Today for the regular chores, I have to dust the house today, so just like dusting furniture. So let's go ahead and get started. So these are the things that I like to dust with. I use this microfiber duster. I believe I got this from Walmart if I'm not mistaken. And it's just really nice. It just makes it easy just to sweep across furniture and get all the dust off. And I also like to use a microfiber cloth, and what I usually do is just dampen it a little bit with water and just use that to wipe down furniture. And for my wood furniture, I like to use the Method wood polisher. Let's go outside, Sebastian. Go. So I finally finished, guys, all of the chores I needed to do today. Everything's done, and now I can kind of relax. I still have to fold laundry, so that's just one more thing I have to do. But other than that, everything else is finished, and I hope that you enjoyed this clean with me video. And if you guys want to see more of these, make sure that you go ahead and hit that like button. And go ahead and click that subscribe button, guys, so that you don't miss any of these videos. And I can't wait to see you guys on the next one. Bye.